What's up, gentlemen? So do you think it's a bad sign that my wife sent me this article? The lesser known erogenous zones. I said, what are you sending me this for? Do I need to know something? I'm not doing it. She's like, it's not for you. It's for your guys. You need to let them know about this stuff. I said, really? You're looking out for my dudes? She said, absolutely. Today, guys, I'm going to go over some weird places on the super sexy female body that get her engine rolling. All right, now, this whole idea and concept of erogenous zones is all about those areas on her body that are a little bit more subtle, a little bit more questionable, that arouse that animalistic attraction and make them want to do super sexy, dirty things to you, which I personally am down for. I actually already asked, but I'm going to ask you to drop it again to tell the algorithm to suck it. So the first place that's a little bit odd, especially for somebody with a big one, right, is actually the nose, the tip of the nose, and actually the nostrils, all right? So there's been a bunch of studies and research that shows that the tissue that makes up your nose is very similar to like tissue that becomes like engorged with blood. I'm trying to stay monetized, boys, work with me. Lightly touching, kissing, or actually like with your tongue action on the nose, the nostrils, I know, right? I told you these were weird, right? Actually has been shown to get spicy senoritas revving in terms of their engine. Number two is the ear, right? Okay, so here's the deal. If you've ever had the pleasure or privilege of somebody like nibbling, sucking, licking, and doing things in your ear, you know what's up, right? It's like, whoa, mama, right? Or at least me, because that's the other thing I just got to mention, right? We are all wired a little bit differently. So what gets me going, my spicy senorita going, might be different than you and yours. You just got to experiment, play around, and take your time. But giving a little lick down the length of the ear, whoo, mama say yama. Number three is actually the scalp, all right? Now, here's what's so crazy. I think it's crazy, all right? Research has shown that by stimulating the scalp, it actually releases the hormone oxytocin. Oxytocin is known as the love hormone, which could be the reason why there are some people that enjoy having their hair pulled a little bit, possibly, maybe, and spanked. Totally kidding. Maybe I'm not, all right? And the next one I'm also not kidding about, and I'm just gonna throw my weird freakiness under the bus, all right? I got a thing for armpits. And I'm not talking about like super fresh smelling armpits, like I go, why am I telling you this? I find it incredibly sexy when my wife's armpits smell a little bit funky. Apparently though, I'm not alone, because armpits are known to be one of the most erotic and erogenous zones. You guys have all heard of pheromones, right? Pheromones is a chemical that our body secretes in order to change the actions of others. All right, the action that they're trying to change is you getting more of it. All right, so now before I go over some of these really freaky ones, I gotta tell you about something that you're gonna wanna know about, and that is Roman swipes. Roman swipes are an absolute game changer when it comes to dudes lasting longer in the bedroom. If you're somebody that isn't happy with the duration of time that you can actually perform, you gotta hit that link down below and check out Roman swipes from today's video sponsor, Roman. That link is special. It's getroman.com/alpha. If you go through there, you're gonna get $10 off your order of Roman swipes. You're also gonna get 2-day free shipping. Now, the way that these bad boys work, pretty amazing, all right? Each Roman swipe is individually wrapped in a discreet little packet, right? You can stick these in your sock if you're going out, in your pocket, wherever, right? You, spicy senorita, whomever, right? You're about to get frisky, be like, yo mama, 1 second. You go in the bathroom, take it out, wipe it on, Big Al, let it dry, and gentlemen, you are a rock star in the sack. It literally is going to help you last longer. How do I know that they work? All I can say is they work. I wish Roman swipes were around like years ago when I was single. Actually, it's probably a good thing they weren't. Gentlemen, they're here, they're amazing, and even if you don't have a problem, right, I would highly recommend you check them out and try them. It's a lot of fun, and it's a lot of fun. Come here, I gotta break this to you. Unfortunately, even though she's like, oh my gosh, yes, it was amazing, you rocked my world, stallion, right, for 35 seconds, right, she's lying, because no woman gets the world rocked in 35 seconds. You gotta last a little bit longer, gentlemen, and Roman swipes can help you do it. Hit the link down below, getroman.com/alpha for $10 off your first order plus free 2-day shipping. All right, gentlemen, so it's about to get a little bit weirder, freakier, and sexier, all right? Next up, we got to talk about the space or skin between The boobs. Yeah, between them. We as dudes think it's all about the boobs. No, it's the space in between. All right? Even though the nips and the boobs get all the attention and the admiration, it's the actual skin in between them, or that area, that is incredibly sensitive to light touching. That was creepy. Or kissing. Next up is above the thigh crease. All right? This is hips. Hip action, hip bone area, right? When you're going down next time to possibly visit Brenda, I want you to stop or go around Brenda and hit the hip action, right? Kissing, touching, caressing. The hip region in general, ooh, mama, super sexy zone. Something else that's super sexy is behind it, or the lower back. Ooh, mama, that lower back. Lower back is next level when it comes to that sexy zone, all right? And the reason is because there are a lot of nerve endings that go directly through and kind of interact with Brenda's region. That's not really that weird. What is weird is the forehead and eyelids. Those two areas have a lot of sensitivity, and a lot of research has been showing that that's actually some areas that if you kiss it, if you lick it, if you touch it lightly, is incredibly sexual. Next up, boom. See that? In a wrist? Yep, super, super powerful. Potent even. Lots of nerves, lots of endings, lots of stimulation going on. If you actually do a little kissing, a little nibbling, a little licking, yes. Next up, gentlemen, is the neck. Nape of the neck. All right, if you've ever had the pleasure or experience of somebody kissing it, you know how awesome it is. What's not awesome are hickeys. They're nasty, super freaking nasty, and make you look low budget and like you're trash. If you want to leave one, leave it on an area of the body that somebody can't see, like the knee. Technically, behind the knee is where the magic happens, gentlemen. Next time you're hanging out, right? You want to do something little frisky, right? Start kissing down the leg. Get to the back of the knee and hang out. And last but certainly not least, we got to talk about the feet. The footsies, the tootsies, the toes, and all that good stuff down there. Now, there are some people, as you may or may not know, that have a weird, like, super sexy thing when it comes to feet. All right? Other people don't. Some people love having their feet touched. Others absolutely hate it. Some people like having their toes kissed or licked or sucked or whatever, right? Others find it incredibly disgusting and annoying. You've just got to figure out what type of sexy senorita you're actually with. Do the feet get her engine rolling? If so, little foot massage? Yes, please. Little kiss? Definitely. But if she's like, yo, stay the hell away from my feet, Brian, then stay the hell away from her feet, Brian.